So the next way that CableBuilder can assist with the design control process is to avoid human error. So how can we do that? So CableBuilder offers the option to automate certain functions, and you can do this fully. You can have a fully automated design from start to finish. You can have a partially automated design, so it will only do certain areas, or you can have everything manual. Within CableBuilder, if you're a new customer, we will install a database on your server. This database will have a lot of example standards with processes and formulas, etc. in there. You as the customer can take these and use them, accept them, or you can change them to the way you want. And within that database, we have included a number of example automations for you to take and expand on or use or take out if you don't like them. And I'll show you examples of those just now. But anyway, automation, the option is there to minimize human error.